In this video, we will cover job inquiry and attachment inquiry in Axacute. At the homepage, click on the Inquiry button. Select Job Inquiry. Job inquiry allows you to monitor the status and progress of your production process and transactions. It gives you a real-time visibility of the ongoing jobs at the shop floor. Select the warehouse for the job order. You can monitor a specific job order by populating information relevant to the job order, or all the job orders at once by not specifying any details. One glance at the screen will tell you the completion status of the job order represented in percentage. The color of the border surrounding the job order box carries different meaning. A green color border indicates that the job is still far away from its due date. A orange color border indicates that the job is going to due soon, while a red color border indicates that the job has passed its due date. You can define your own job hour indicator in the transaction parameter under Job Inquiry. Click on the job order to bring up more details of the job order. You can monitor the completion status of each operation. How many materials have been issued for the job? And the last 5 performed transactions. Click on this button to read the notes and document attached to the job. On the other hand, Job Attachment Inquiry allows you to search all the attachments and notes on job orders, job routes, and job materials level. At the homepage, click on the Inquiry button. Select Job Attachment Inquiry. Select the job order and suffix. Click on the Details button to proceed. In the Details form, System will show the number of attachment and notes for the job order, job operation, and job materials. Click on the option that you want to view the attachment and notes. Thank you for watching this video.